Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking a narrow niche and picking 3 target keywords for your first videos. Once chosen, craft titles and descriptions that use those exact phrases organically, and make sure thumbnails and channel branding match the promise. Record with clear audio and an intro hook within 10 seconds. Upload with structured metadata: title, description, tags, and pinned first comment. This gets the algorithm enough signals to start ranking. From here, you'll measure watch time and click-through rate to decide what to scale. Once initial uploads are live, focus on engagement signals that matter most: audience retention, session duration, and click-through rate. You should edit intros to hook viewers in 10-30 seconds and add chapters so people find value faster. Make accurate captions and keyword-rich descriptions, and pin a comment that invites replies. Then, create playlists and use end screens to drive viewers to related content. These steps help YouTube understand relevance and keep users on the platform longer, which improves rankings over time. You finish by analyzing performance metrics weekly: CTR, watch time, and traffic sources, then iteratively refine thumbnails and titles based on data. Once a video performs, make follow-ups and repurpose clips for shorts and social to amplify signals. If growth stalls, troubleshoot by refreshing metadata, testing new thumbnails, or collaborating to access new audiences. Also check if content quality or upload frequency slipped. Finally, double down on formats that increase session time and repeat the cycle to scale consistent growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.